Hi there guys, welcome to another Ross Perry Productions video. In this video I have a 2022 Toyota Land Cruiser Prado and I'm going to show you the correct way to jump start the car. Now, I actually noticed on a forum recently there was some pretty bad information given, and that was to jump start using both terminals on the battery, and that's not the case on this car because of the way the electronics actually work. So as you can see, I already popped the bonnet, but if you don't know how to do that, just go into the driver's side and pull this lever here. Once you've done that, you're going to put your hand in just above the Toyota badge and push that lever there to the left, and then we can have a good look around the engine bay. So as you'll see, we've got like an air box over the left hand side, main engine blocks there in the middle, radiator and reservoir down the front there, and then over the right hand side we have our fuse box and our battery, and under here we actually have some main fuses for our battery. Now on older cars you would have just used both the negative terminal and the positive terminal to jump straight onto your other vehicle, but in this car we're going to do something slightly different. We're going to put our red lead or positive lead on the positive terminal, and then what we're going to do is come over to the main engine block. You're going to lift up this plastic here, and then there's this terminal here, so that is actually our ground or earth point on the car, so you use this as the negative terminal. So that's how you jump start the car, and then you connect it just directly onto the battery of the other car, or if you have a loose battery you're just going to go onto both terminals on the other car. But just make sure, if this is the way you're jump starting, to use that negative terminal there, not the negative terminal on the battery. And like I say, that's because of the way the electronics actually work on this car. So there you go, hope that's cleared it up. If you found that video helpful, please go ahead, give me a thumbs up, give me a comment down below, check out some of my other videos and subscribe to my channel.